On March the 8th of this year, I fractured 3 ribs, severe fractures. They were basically offset. They were pressing against my lungs, and the pain level was just unbearable. And so I contacted Progressive and asked them if they could help me get the ribs healed up. And they said, "We think we can. Come on down and we'll give it our best shot." So I did, and this was on the 10th of, the injury was on March the 8th. I came in here on March the 10th, and I was injected with a Prolozone injection into each of the 3, directly into each of the 3 cavities where the fracture sites were. And I had been told by a kickboxing buddy of mine who won the world championship, who had had many rib issues over the years, that I'd be out of work for 3 to 4 months. He said, "There's nothing the doctors can do." And I said, "Well, that dog won't hunt. I've got to work." And so here we go. And so I was injected on the 10th, which was, I believe, a Monday, and I was back on the Bobcat 1 week later. And the pain was reduced basically by about 50% at that point. And it was still extremely painful, but tolerable at that point. And so I was injected once a week from that point on, and the pain just drastically dropped. And when I went back for the second set of x-rays, the doctor refused to give them to me because he had said that I had not had time to heal. And so I pretty much had to put him in a chokehold to get him to take the x-rays. But when I did, and he put the x-ray up, and he started staring at the x-ray, and he looked at me, and he looked back at that x-ray, and he said, "What in the hell did you do?" And of course I explained to him what I had done, and I suggested he might want to Google ozone therapy. But bottom line is, it was pretty magical, and I have put the x-rays in my safe because nobody believes my story, but it's true, and I've got the documentation for it.